Hello, I'd like to share a short video on how to send an eConsult using Ocean. I'm just going to share my screen. And now you should be able to see my PSS instance. Should look very familiar to all of you. What I'm just going to do is I'm going to start a new note. In this case, I know that many of you like to include the PSS when you send an eConsult, so I just have my stamp for my CPP included here. I'm going down to the bottom of my CPP, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to write my note here to the specialist about my eConsult question. If you're using Heidi, you could dictate a note in Heidi and then copy it and paste it into this section. But just so we have something to show, I'm just going to put that Mary has a rash. And here's where you would ask your specialist all the different questions that you have. Once you put your note in place, you're going to green bar that note. And then you're going to go up and you can add any labs, any medical imaging, any other consult note, anything that will flesh out the consult for the specialist, you can add those in. You're going to go up to your Ocean toolbar. And at this time, you're going to notice that there's an ON eConsult available on that. There's a button for ON eConsult. If you don't have that on your screen, please let us know and we can update your toolbar so you do have that, because it does save a couple steps. So I'm going to click on that right now. The system is creating an attachment package for me. I'm just going to say OK and accept that. And it's going to take me to the Ocean Health Map and directly to the OTN site, the eConsult site, and it will fill all the information in for me. The demographics, everything is in there. And as you can see, it also has that attachment included. So I'll scroll down to the bottom of this. First time you come to it, there will be a little blue box here where you have to accept the terms of service. After you've done that, you don't ever have to check that again. But right now I've done that once and I can just send and launch eConsult. Don't worry about it saying consent or not consent. No email is going to be sent. I'm just going to do that. It's going to ask you to confirm the clinical information, just making sure it's the right patient. I'm going to say correct and proceed. And now it's going to take me over to the OTN hub. It takes about 3 seconds for it to get there. I'm not doing anything. The system just does it itself. Once we get to the OTN site, it's going to ask you to log in using your OTN credentials. I'm already into the site. So now you can see, don't be concerned if it comes up and it looks rather blank. It's actually come in here, and as soon as you pick your specialist or your provider, it's going to actually fill all that information in. So now you can see all the information is filled in there. The attachment is included as well. And all you have to do is pick the specialist you want to send it to, and then click the send button. It really is quite easy to use, but if you would like some additional help, I'm certainly quite happy to help you. Please contact me, Wendy Lang, at CND OHT, and I'll be happy to help you out with that. Thank you.